Welcome to the presentation for our Advanced Artificial Intelligence project titled Semantic Research Paper Analysis with Generative AI Assistance. In this video, we will explain our project and provide a demonstration of the system. The increasing volume of academic publications has made literature review a highly time-consuming and challenging task. Currently, extracting relevant information, identifying key contributions, and understanding complex methodologies require manually reading lengthy research papers. Furthermore, traditional search methods rely primarily on simple keyword matching. This provides very limited support for exploring document content semantically or answering user-specific questions, resulting in inefficient research workflows. To automate this labor-intensive process, our system enables users to interact with academic documents using natural language queries, instantly providing concise summaries and important information.
Our approach is built around an advanced retrieval-augmented generation pipeline. So when a paper is uploaded, we extract the text and split it into chunks, and then index those chunks using multiple complementary techniques rather than relying on just one TF-IDF for keyword importance, a word-to-vec model trained on the paper, BM25 for ranking, and mini-LM sentence embedding for semantic meaning. When the user asks a question, we run hybrid retrieval by combining keyword and semantic search to pull the most relevant passages. These are then re-ranked using a cross-encoder model, so only the highest quality context moves forward. That refined context along with few short text sample is passed to Google Gemini 2.5 Flash model, which can also read the papers, figures and tables visually to generate accurate grounded answers, summaries and key points. The whole system is served through a fast API backend connected to our main web app. Thank you.
When we uploaded a research paper PDF, the system automatically built four different indexes from it. TF-IDF created 49 chunks across 1903 unique terms, word to vec trained on 622 words from the paper itself. BM25 and mini LM embeddings were also built, all from a single upload with zero manual steps. We build a question classifier using few shot learning. Our question classifier got 5 out of 5 correct in testing. It automatically detects whether you're asking about methodology, results, contribution, background, or comparison. And according to that, it changed our prompt. For evaluation, we use two metrics. Ragwan scored 1.0 on exact matching sentences, which confirms it works correctly. But score gave 0.7422 on paraphrase sentences, meaning the system correctly recognized that two sentences with different words but the same meaning are still a strong match. All smoke tests passed with no failures. Finally, the live server confirms everything works end to end. The upload endpoint returned 200 OK after indexing the paper. The chat endpoint returned 200 OK with an answer. And when we asked a question about the figure in the paper, it automatically sent six figure pages to Gemini Vision and still returned 200 OK.
Okay, so let's dive into a quick demo of of the application. So here first we need to select the research paper we need to review. So then start analysis button. So it will take some time to analyze this, and then it will open the new chat window. So wait for a moment. Okay, so the chat window open. So now we can chat and ask the question related to the research papers. So then it will give a response, and here also there is some So this information comes from the research paper, and there are also summarize button, so which will summarize the research paper content. And there is another key insight that highlight the key points in the research paper. So and also there you can see some citation. It uses the when this research paper is stored in the web, the database is stored as chunks, so it uses the best uh, match three matches site to generate the response. So this is how the application is. So as like this, we can continue this step to get a clear idea of the result.